If your air duct grills are clogged with dust or debris, it's messing with your home's airflow and making your HVAC system work way harder than it should. So, you want to keep those grills clean to make sure air moves freely and your place stays comfy without racking up your energy bills. First off, grab a vacuum with a brush attachment and suck out all the dust on and around the grills. If you see stubborn grime, take the grills off carefully and wash them with warm, soapy water. Just make sure they're totally dry before putting them back. Try to do this every couple of months because dust builds up faster than you'd think, especially if you have pets or live in a dusty area. Also, check for any mold or mildew around the vents, because that's a health hazard and needs immediate cleaning or a professional check. You can even wipe the grills with a microfiber cloth weekly to keep things fresh. And don't forget to replace your HVAC filters regularly, since dirty filters only push more dust back into your ducts and grills. Keeping up with these simple habits helps your system stay efficient and your air cleaner. One of the biggest issues people run into with clogged air duct grills is ignoring regular cleaning, which causes poor indoor air quality and forces your heating and cooling system to use more energy. Fix it by setting a cleaning schedule and sticking to it. Another common mistake is not checking for damage when cleaning, like bent or broken grills that block airflow. If you spot any, replace them right away. Lastly, many folks forget to change their HVAC filters often enough, so dust keeps cycling back into the ducts and grills. Swapping filters every 1 to 3 months depending on use will solve this. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know how to properly handle HVAC maintenance and duct cleaning. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people looking for their services, so everyone wins when it comes to keeping homes comfy and air clean.